Hi everybody, so I wanted to explain how your grade works in Mrs. Jones's class because I'm getting a lot of questions about points and do I get credit for this and that and all that stuff. Okay, so your scores on Google Classroom is strictly for feedback so you understand what level of understanding you are. Level of understanding is what you can actually do. So for example, I'm going to zoom into this. If you have one, shown up to class at least once or twice, and or two, are trying to do some Delta Math homework. Like you're just trying. It doesn't mean that you got 100%, 50%, whatever. You're just trying. That means that like more than likely with my help, you can do level 1. Now at some point, I'm going to ask you to show up to a Zoom meeting or something, or maybe give me a phone call to do this. Okay, so like with help, you get a 6 out of 10. In the grade book, you will see EK1 level. All of you start out at a level 1. If you have done EK 1.1 homework, okay, then you are a level 1.15. That means that you understand a little bit of the exponent rules. You can simplify integer exponents. You can do little baby problems. So that is the 1.1 homework. If you've completed it and posted on Flipgrid or participated in some type of activity, then I know you're at least a 1.5. And how you tell me that is by filling in your Friday check-in. You say, yes, Mrs. Jones, I leveled up. Now I'm a 1.5 and I posted on the Flipgrid. You have it in your goal sheet that you're a 1.5, all that good stuff, okay? Now, if you're a level 2, that means you can simplify exponents that involve variables. That is the 1.2 homework assignment. I don't believe you if you're a level 2 unless you also explain on a Flipgrid well. Okay, that does not mean that you get a free pass. So 1.2 homework stands for level 2. And you've explained on the Flipgrid or made a little poster or how to, something that you can say that you can do this. Now here is your level 3. Level 3 is all about explaining. So that is our Padlet discussion board called EK1 discussion board. That is the Flipgrid assignment. That's you are explaining why the zero exponent rule works and how it connects to the quotient rule. If you haven't done both of these things, you are not a level 3. Okay? Level 4 is creating a poster with examples of the exponent rules. We started this last week. Now, whether or not you did it, I'm not sure. So make sure you put your evidence in your goal sheet. Your evidence goes in your goal sheet. And what is your goal sheet? Well, it is in Google Classroom, which I can show you right now, or not, depending on how fast my internet goes. And it's literally called your Math 2 goal sheet, and it has your name on it. It's also going to ask you to turn it in every time you do a Friday check-in. Okay? So, and then on Friday, you guys will take a test on Delta Math. And if you get an 80% or more with work, you have to show your work. Like take a picture of it and input it in. If you can't take a picture of it and input it in, I expect you to take a picture of it and text it to me via Remind or my phono. Okay? So that's EK1 in a nutshell. That is how your grade works. There is no points for doing Delta Math. That's just participation. There is no points for anything. If you know it and you learned it, then you get the credit. But if you do a bunch of work and you don't show me you've learned it, like prove to me you can explain a problem, okay, you are kaput. All right, that's it. That's how your grade works in my class. You actually have to learn something this year.